I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to download your account statements on Current, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Current app. Launch the Current app on your smartphone. Make sure you re-logged into your account to access your statements. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once you're in the app, tap on the Account tab located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can find your statements. Step 3. Select Statements. In the Account Settings, look for the Statements option. Tap on it to view your available account statements for download. Step 4. Choose the statement period. The LLC a list of available statements. Select the period you want to download, such as monthly or quarterly. This is important because only certain periods may be available. Step 5. Download the statement. After selecting the desired statement, tap on the Download button. The statement will be saved to your device, usually in PDF format. If you run into any issues, make sure your app is updated to the latest version, as older versions may not have the download feature. Happy downloading!